Hello everyone. Proceeding in this way, let's find out what are we gonna do next. Here you have to just secure the hair like this, doing it in this manner and then particularly beautifully doing it like this and then securing it to the other side. This is gonna look damn amazing. Isn't it cool? You have to just secure it in this way and getting it made in this manner, giving it a beautiful and lovely look. Cool enough, right? Now let's see again proceeding the same way. What are we gonna do and what bunch of hairstyles are then packed for you? You have to just beautifully make a braid like this. Now just securing your hair further. This is gonna look damn pretty and cool, isn't it? Further here, just to make it a little chic and simple, you have to roll your hair and then tie them together to the other side, doing it a crisscross position, and now you have to do it in the same manner and then make a bun like this. You have to secure it in this way and getting it beautifully pinned up in this manner. Cool, right? Now let's have a look. What are we gonna do next? Proceeding in this way here, you have to just secure the hair like this, getting it done beautifully in this manner. And now what are we gonna do here? You have to just secure it like this and then further you have to make the patterns like this. Now securing it with the help of your rubber band and now do it in this manner. This is gonna look even more beautiful and amazing. Cool, right? And then securing it with the help of your clutches. Proceeding in this manner, let's find out what are we gonna do next. Here you have to secure the hair like this, getting it done beautifully in this way. You have to just get it the small partitions, the thin ones like this, and now you're gonna arrange it beautifully as we are showing in the video in this manner, and then take it to the other side, and you will end up getting a lovely patterns that everyone is gonna enjoy at. Now here, this is gonna look damn unique, and you have to just do it beautifully. This is simple yet unique. Proceeding the same way, let's see what are we gonna do here. You have to just get the partitions like this, get it done beautifully, arrange them in these lovely patterns in a crisscross shape like this by taking the ends from either side of the hair and getting it beautifully arranged in this manner. This is pretty enough. Isn't it cool? Yeah, looking damn attractive. You have to just end it giving it a beautiful lovely look and then secure it with the help of lovely looking rubber bands like these. Cool, right? Proceeding in this manner here, you have to just roll the hair out and get it done beautifully and then secure it with the help of these lovely looking clutches and then do it like this, tie them further in this manner. Further you have to take the hair and then twist and roll it together, twirl it in this manner and you will end up getting a lovely pattern to be like that. Isn't it? Now just with the help of lovely clutches, you need to press it together. Further here, get the lovely patterns made out of this. You have to secure the hair partitions in this manner. Get it done beautifully. And in the end, by interlocking the hair parts like this, you will end up getting a lovely and beautiful round shape pattern at the end. This is gonna look pretty enough. So how was it? You guys must have enjoyed the video with these lovely and unique hairstyles.